Hello, Eddie Paseng. Happy 50 wedding anniversary. Ikaw din.
Enjoy your day.
Nakasab mo yung boses.
Okay, bye.
Congratulations! Congratulations and smell my feet!
Hi Tito Eddie, Tito Paseng, happy 50th wedding anniversary.
From Los Angeles to you!
Best wishes and see you soon.
We miss you!
Maring Eddie and Maring Pasing, this is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. Happy 50th anniversary. O, diba? May road to forever. Sayang nga lang, wala ako dyan. Excuse naman ako, diba? Ang prayer ko lang ay mahaba pang pasensya sa inyong pagsasama. Patience is a virtue, remember that. So, enjoy and be blessed. I love you both.
Hi Eddie, happy 50th anniversary. I-bless kayo ng Panginoon ng kanyang kapuspusan at saganaan ng biyaya ng Diyos na lumakad kayo sa kanyang pagpapala, favor after favor. And may the Lord bless you more years to come to celebrate your anniversary. And God bless you and your family.
Hello po Mama Pasing at Papa Eduardo. Happy golden anniversary po sa inyo. Stay in love and God bless always.